I'm going to show you the most boring way to make an amazing cup of coffee. Just grab yourself an Oxo Rapid Brewer and follow the instructions for now, because in the end, we're throwing them out. 20 grams whole bean, grind fresh, into the basket, tamp firm and even, attach, fill the line, connect the pump, 2 minutes, press slow. Now you got yourself a concentrate. Take that concentrate and dilute it 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. That's it. Easy.
It's actually good. But this is where things get interesting. Once we stop following the rules, we can change everything. More water, less water, pump fast, pump slow. Some people are making soup. Now what you think? High extraction shots. Lance Hedrick loves them. You can even put coffee grounds in the water chamber, which is what I do in my D3 recipe. I'll link both these videos below. And if you are into experimenting like this, consider subscribing. In the next video, we are going to be testing high extraction baskets, and they don't all behave the same. Remember, explore, learn, and brew together.